Illegal tax evasion or a great tax planning suggestion. So every week I have clients coming to me asking me if they can do certain things, and half the time I think, great idea. Unfortunately, HMRC have already thought of that and are going to stop us from doing that. So this week it was a good one. It was a B2C client. So this particular client won't mind me saying he sells patios. So he does the installation of the patio. So he sells directly to members of the public. His problem is he is coming up to the VAT registration threshold of £90,000. He doesn't want to register for VAT because that makes his patios 20% more expensive, and they might go down the road and use another patio fitting man if he has to put his prices up. So he came up with this suggestion, which I think he probably got from TikTok, let's be honest. If I split my business into two, will I still have to register for VAT? So we've got two businesses, they're both installing patios, they're both using the same workers to do the patio installation, they're using the same equipment, they've got the same customer base, probably all off the same website, I'm assuming. So the issue here is there's an artificial separation of the business with the pure intention to avoid registering for VAT. So I said, no, you can't do that, because what would happen is we'd just look at the two companies as a whole, and you still have to register for VAT, and they just have two companies, it's two lots of admin, big hassle. We're not going to do that. Where it would work though is if he was going to set up a totally separate business. So maybe he was going to start a cafe. So that cafe will be selling coffee. It will be selling obviously a different product, have different members of staff, different premises. It's a totally separate business. So the cafe business would not be combined with the patio business when we're looking at the VAT turnover threshold.